Hi, I'm Sam from Soudal, and in today's episode we're going to be taking a look at our Mitre Kit from our trade range. Now this is a two-component bonding solution that will provide an almost instant bond between two non-porous surfaces. This pack contains a 50-gram bottle of high viscosity cyanoacrylate superglue and a 200ml can of Activator spray. When used together, the interaction between these two components provides a super fast build-up of strength. It's only 3 quick steps to achieve the perfect bond. First step, you apply the activator to one side. Now you don't need to overspray the activator, just enough to cover all of the surface. Second step, apply the super glue to the other side, like so. And the third step is pushing it together firmly. You hold this for 10 seconds. Now what the Activator spray does is it accelerates the curing time and also accelerates the adhesion time of the product. As you can see, once the two surfaces meet, it only takes around 10 seconds until the two surfaces are firmly bonded together. Typically these mitre kits are used for cornice and profile mitres, worktop end strips, PVC U-trims and much more. Next up, a demonstration on a mitre joint. Right, so same 3 steps as before. We'll apply the spray to the surface. Next up, the glue to the other surface. And then press together. We'll hold that together for 10 seconds and we'll test to see that final bond strength. Right, I reckon that's been enough time. Let's give this a go. And as you can see, that is really strong. Let's do another strength test. I'm going to bond this piece of wood to this MDF board, and guess what? I'm going to load it with 3 of these paving stones. Let's put it to the test. First, spray. Second, glue. And third, the pressure. Now you only need to do this for 10 seconds. And the time it takes to cure and adhere is super impressive. Right, number 1. Number 2. Number 3. And after 10 seconds, that is pretty impressive. Depending on the applications, the transparency of the final bond can be a crucial property in an adhesive, especially when bonding glass or plastic materials. Here, I've got 2 pieces of transparent acrylic. You can see here how the superglue moves between the 2 surfaces to fill the bonding area. The end result is an invisible, full surface bond. Soudal's trade Mitre Kit, suitable for a wide range of applications commonly used in the furniture, timber, kitchen and plastic industries where its instant properties dramatically reduce assembly time. Also perfect for general DIY applications and quick repairs. If you'd like to know more, visit our website.